Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a great update in Odoo 18, the top bar in the project tab. This new feature gives you a quick and easy access to your project details, saving you time and effort. So let's dive right in and I'll show you how to use it.
To get started, let's open the project module. Here you'll see a list of all your projects. Let's select one of them and we'll immediately see its associated tasks. Now let's focus on the top bar. To access it, simply click on this small icon at the top. By default, only the Tasks tab is visible. But if you want to see more tabs in the top bar, just click the icon again, and from here you can enable other records to be displayed at the top. So what's the purpose of the top bar? Well, it's a powerful feature designed to help you manage large projects more efficiently. It provides a structured way to track every phase and step of your project while keeping all related documents easily accessible. By documents, I mean everything from sales orders, invoices, purchase orders, incoming and outgoing shipments, to expenses, dashboards, and more. Instead of navigating through different tabs, you can access all of these records directly from the top bar, making project management much smoother. So feel free to enable all the records you need for quick access. You will see everything listed right at the top, just like that. If you'd like to rearrange the tabs, simply drag and drop them into the order you prefer. You can easily disable this feature with a single click. Just press this icon and all the extra tabs will disappear. But don't worry, the system saves your configuration, so if you need the top bar tabs again, simply click the icon once more. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can customize the top bar to keep your most important project details within reach. It's a powerful way to stay organized and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio tutorials. See you in the next videos.